Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In today's video, I would like to show you how I framed my diamond painting from Tinmy Arts. I made a post review about this very kit a few days ago. The kit was purchased from AliExpress, the store Tinmy Arts. I think it's called Cozy Christmas or something like this. The size of the diamond painting is 50 by 40 centimeters. The price was $12.74. I elaborated on specifications and my impression on from this kit a little bit more in my previous video. So, what I can say, the frame was purchased in Michael's as part of a really very good deal, buy one get two free. I paid $30 for 3 frames, so we can actually say that I bought it for $10 if we divide $30 on 3. This kit is diamond painted with round resin drills. It is a full diamond painting. And what I did, I added crystals, mostly on the candles, on the fire in the fireplace, and Christmas lights on Christmas tree. And I also added some AB diamonds, pink ones. Again, I elaborated on it more detailed in my previous video in a post review. That's how it looks. I really like this frame. I think that it completes the diamond painting, and although I did not like how this kit turned out, I still think that it is way too pixelated. If this diamond painting was worked through, meaning the pattern, it would have looked better. But in any case, I think that with this very frame, it looks even better. It looks better than without it. So that's how it looks. So most likely I will even give it away as a gift. I like how it sparkles, especially those crystals that I added. So this is a very short video. At this point I am working on my beaded cross stitch kits. Of course it is very time consuming, it's taking time. Not sure when I go back to diamond painting. If I get tired of bead stitching, I will start diamond painting cobblestone bridge from diamond dots. The artist is Thomas Kincaid. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.